Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th Maths and it's time to revision. Student, I will give you today chapter first practice questions. Okay? Because your exam is in the form of MCQs or fill-ups, so I will give you some questions. Do it by yourself. Okay, it's for chapter first, that is integers. Okay, सो चैप्टर फर्स्ट के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको MCQs दिए हैं वो अपने मन से आपको खुद से ही करने हैं. ओके, और करके आप उसे करके रखिए उसे और उसकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. उस टाइप के ही क्वेश्चंस आपको एग्ज़ाम में आने वाले हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ आवर चैप्टर इज़ फ्रैक्शन एंड डेसिमल. ओके, in this chapter we have learned yesterday we have learned what is fraction. If fraction is always a part of whole, fraction is a part of whole, we call a part of whole as a fraction. Okay, and what do you mean by proper fraction? If we talk about a proper fraction, then proper fraction, see, a fraction हमने किसे बोला? पार्ट ऑफ होल को. ओके, एंड फ्रैक्शन में टू पार्ट्स होते हैं, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हेन न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर, न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर, देन वी से दैट इट्स अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, एंड व्हेन numerator is greater than the denominator, then we say that it's a improper fraction. Okay, and yesterday we have also learn about unit fraction. What do you mean by unit fraction? If the fraction numerator is 1, if numerator is 1, then we say that it's a unit fraction. Okay, understand. And if the denominator is same, then we say that it's a like fraction. And if denominator is different, we can say that it's a unlike fraction. Okay, so we have learned total 5 to 6 type of fraction. First is unit fraction, then like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and last one is mixed fraction. And always learn, remember student, always improper fraction we have converted into mixed fraction. Okay, and mixed fraction is also we have converted into improper fraction. Okay, yesterday we see the videos how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, I think you understand. And now we see that how to we find write 5 equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. If we want to find equivalent fraction, then what can we do? See, 3 by 5 is a fraction and we want to find the equivalent fraction. Equivalent means, देखो नाम से जैसा पता है, equivalent means उसके ही equal का fraction होना चाहिए. Okay, so we if we want to find this type of fraction, so we multiply by same number in numerator and denominator. Okay, so first method is we have to multiply same number by same number, numerator and denominator, we get a equivalent fraction. Okay, see here, if we want to find equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, then we multiply by 2 in numerator and multiply by 2 in denominator, so we can get 6 by 10. Okay, understand. If we want to find 5 equivalent fraction, then we have to find, because if we want to find, so the method is 3 by 5 into 3 into 3, that is 9 by 15. Okay, and you have to find this type also. You get 6 by 10, again multiply by 2, so you get 12 by 20, again multiply by 2, you get 24 by 40. It's also equivalent fraction. Okay, and if you want to find did not want to find this type, then you have to find 3 by 5 into 3, so it will get 9 by 15, and 3 by 5 into 4, so you get 12 by 20 is your answer. Okay, understand? So this type you have to find the equivalent fractions. Okay, understand? First method you have to find by multiply, and again if you want to find a fraction, if numerator and denominator having a common factor, then you have to divide by that common factor, and then find equivalent fraction. Okay, suppose the number is 15 by 20 and you want to find the equivalent fraction of this. So you easily see that it is a common factor of 5. So you have to divide 5 by 5, that is 3 upon 4 is your equivalent fraction. One more example, if you want to find equivalent fraction of 7 upon 21. So see here, if we divide by 7, then we easily find 1 upon 3 is my answer. Okay, so you have find equivalent fraction by both method. First is by multiplying and second one is by dividing common factor. Okay, now yes, if you want to add or subtract two fractions, then what you do? See, if we want to find the addition and subtraction of a fraction, then first of all we have to convert it into like fraction. If the fractions are like, then we easily add or subtract the fractions. But if the fractions are unlike, then we have to convert converted into like fraction, and then we have add or subtract it. Understand? Okay. So student, when we add two like fraction, then what we do? See, compare, add and subtract. It become easy when the denominator is same. So if the denominator is same, then our first step is already done. Okay, means denominator is same, then add the numerator, add numerator over denominator, and your answer is 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 by 5. Okay, now last step is simplify to standard form. If the number is in the standard form, then simplify it in standard. Now see, here the denominator are different, 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. Okay, get the denominator same, means LCM the denominator. Okay, 8 and 12, 8 and 12 का LCM होता है 24. Okay, if we get LCM of 8 and 12, then we get 24. Okay, now if we want to the process is same the denominator. So if we make 8 to 24, so we multiply by 3. Okay, so if we multiply denominator by 3, then we have to multiply numerator by 3. Okay, so it become 15. Now 5 by 8 become 15 by 24. Understand? 5 by 8 become 15 by 24, and 7 by 12 become, if 12 become 24, so you multiply by 2, then we have to multiply numerator by 2, 7 2s are 14. Okay, so it become 14. Okay, so 7 by 12 become 14 by 24. Okay, understand? Now denominator becomes same, so our second step is means add numerator over denominator. Okay, आपको डिनोमिनेटर एक वन टाइम लिखना है और न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो योर आंसर इज 29 by 24. ओके, सो योर आंसर इज 29 by 24. अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, simplify the denominator. If there are some common factors, then divide by it and simplify the denominator. Understand? See, if you want to subtract the fractions when the denominator is different, here 3 and here it is 4. Okay, so first of all we have to LCM of denominator, means 3 and 4 का LCM क्या होता है बेटा? 12. Okay, now 3 and 4 का LCM क्या होता है? 12. Okay, now 12 into 4 is 24. Okay, that is 16 minus 9. So your answer is 7 by 12. Okay, understand? Now let's take one more example. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 7. See here 8 and 7, इनका कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, दे आर को प्राइम नंबर. सो हमें सिंपली मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देना है. 8 7 ज़ा 56 एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई मीन्स इसके डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसके न्यूमरेटर में और ये डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर में. सो योर आंसर इज 21 minus 8, that is 13 by 56 and simplify it. Okay, understand? Now if the question is this type, so here 7 and 5 are also co-prime number. So simply we have multiplied, means 7 5s are 35, and cross multiplication of 7 into 5, that is 5 into 5, that is 25, and 7 into 2, that is 14. Okay, so 25 minus 14, that is your answer is 11 upon 35. Okay, understand? So see student, if we want to subtract one mixed fraction and a fraction, then first of all what we do, we have to solve this mixed fraction into improper fraction, means 1 into 5, that is 5 1 ja 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 5. Okay, understand? And minus 1 by 4. Now it is same question that we have solved, means 5 and 4. 5 and 4 are both are co-prime number, means they have not any common factor other than 1. Okay, so we have only multiply them, means 5 4s are 20. Okay, so what we get, see here 5 4s are 20, then we multiply by 4. Okay, to get 20 we multiply by 4. So and here we get 20 by multiplying 5. Understand? So if we multiply by 4 in first number in denominator, then we have to multiply by 4 in numerator also. Okay, so 6 4s are, if we multiply by 4, so we have to multiply, that is 6 4s are 24. Okay, so we have multiply by 4, so it become 24. Okay, and same here, if we multiply by new denominator by 5 to get 20, so we have to multiply by 5 in numerator also. Okay, understand? So it become 5, we have to multiply by 5, so it's 5, 1 into 5, that is 5. Okay, understand? Now our denominator is same, so you do it with same method. Okay, so our answer is 19 by 20. Okay, understand? This type you have to subtract or add two fractions. Okay, understand students? So see student, if we multiply the two fraction, then what we do here in multiplication and division, we do not, it's not need to find the LCM. Okay, you simply multiply numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Okay, in multiplication you simply multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So your answer is 3 4s are 12 and 5 7s are 35. Understand? Okay, this is the way for multiplication of two fractions. Okay, understand? And same for dividing two fraction, what we do, keep the first number and flip the sign, means division to multiplication, and convert to second number, means convert second number to its reciprocal. What is reciprocal of 2 by 5? Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Okay, and now multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, understand student? And this is not your answer 20 by 60. You have to simplify it. okay, because both having 2 as a common factor, so you have to divide 2. So your answer is 10 by 3. Now again numerator is greater than the denominator, so you have to find its mixed fraction, okay. So students, in this video we have learned how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide by divide two fractions, okay. Stay safe, have a good day, take care.